Mark, if you don't mind, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello, everybody.
First of all, happy Independence Day.
Happy
And
Independence Day, sir. Okay, I'll start with the introduction. My name is Mark Anthony Reside. I am a uh, licensed civil engineer, graduate from University of Santo Tomas, and I'm currently pursuing a career in tech. I found the FUSU project initiative of DEP. I found it on the internet, I think on Facebook, and I pursued the Python lessons, and now it's actually helping me land some interviews for different tech companies that for roles that I'm trying to pursue. So yeah, that's me.
thanks for that, Mark. That's pretty good news that you are able to land some interviews. Yeah, that's promising.
Yes,
And
sir.
good luck.
Very promising. Okay. So for the course, what I found the most enjoyable was the first 11 lessons. So um, the first lesson was installing Python, and the 11th lesson was tuples. So it's actually lesson 1 to lesson 11 teaches us the all of the basic sort of building blocks functions for the Python language. Anything after that is like imports of different like the regular expression network programming. This uses different kinds of imports. Lesson 1 to lesson 11. This one is like very raw, very logical. Um, it's like very easy to understand as well. You can apply it to any sort of file that you're looking at or any intention that you want to do to create an app, like very basic things. You can apply all of these. So I really like these first 11 lessons. It showcases what Python can do and how flexible it is.
I guess the next step now, Mark, is the third and last step, which is more of like showcasing your favorite task,
Yes,
regardless how small it is, as long as you can present it, if you don't mind.
yes. I will do that. I should share my screen a bit. This one, this particular lesson was a favorite of mine because it applied quite a lot of the lessons prior to this one. This one taught us to open a text file and then to create forgot what's this called, a list or a dictionary.
Or variable accumulator or
Yes,
variable.
yes, that's it. So it also this one also taught me to apply how to put a value inside this variable. This
Variable.
one also taught me to loop using the for loop and to exclude lines.
Hmm.
And this one also taught us how to splice, and it does a lot of things with such a short line, and it the output is very clear on what it does. And while you are writing this code, it makes sense why all of the lessons prior to this were taught the way it is, because it's very intuitive.
Hmm.
Very intuitive how you will construct the whole script from the lessons before that. So yeah, I very much like this one. This one showed that I actually learned from all of the videos that I watched before this.
So, yep. Mark, thanks again. And I think this has been very helpful, and I'm sure will inspire a lot of learners out there.
Yes, sir. I
Well,
hope so. I hope it inspires everybody else as much as this one inspired me to.
thanks for that. That's really good to hear. Thanks again, Mark. And happy Independence Day again. I guess
Happy
I'll see,
Independence Day, sir.